Welcome! In this tutorial, let's learn how to set the permissions. You can set multi-tiers of the access permissions. Firstly, each application has 3 different permission types, and each content list can set separate access permissions. By default, the content list will inherit permissions from the application. And you can break the inheritance. You can set the advanced permissions for each content list. To control the single actions based on users, groups, or data of the list items. Let's take a look. You can check the app permissions by clicking the settings button on the top right. For this app, Rachel is the app admin. Kevin has the editor permissions. And Josie has the visitor permission. So we log in with Rachel's account. You can see she has the full control of this app. She can add new data views, manage the current data view, and from the list settings menu, she can manage all the settings of this list. If we log in with Kevin's account, you can see she cannot make changes to this app. And from the list, he's not able to add or edit data views. And he has the editor permission. He can add new items or manage the existing items of those lists. And now let's log in with Josie's account. You can see she can only view the data in this app. Now let's see how to set the separate permissions for data list. Go to the list settings and click the permissions menu. The list permission is currently inherited from the app. Then let's turn it off. And click the Edit button. Add Josie to the Added Items Users list. And click Save button. Let's log in with Josie's account and have a check. Now you can see the Add button available after the search. You can also import, export data, or edit the existing items. If we do another list in this app, you can see she has only the View Items permission for this list. Let's now check how to set the advanced permissions for data list. Go to the list permissions settings again. There are no users has the added permission for now. Click the Advanced Permissions button. From the pop-up window, select users, groups, or from a list field value. Let's select the account owner, which is a field of this accounts list. Then give the added permission. Then let's go back to Josie's account. From the account owner column, 2 accounts have set Josie as the account owner. Click 1 to open the detail page. The edit button is available for this item as Josie is the account owner. Let's check another one which Kevin is set as the account manager. There are no added button as Josie is not the account owner. With the advanced permission, you can control the access permissions for each item. Well, that's all for now. To learn more about Application Builder, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.